different type of operations we did. We want to perform the operations on folders. Actually, it's not necessary. Actually, it is not necessary, but we need to understand as a part of this. And even the interviewer may be asking, may not be asking this OS module. But as a part of this extension, I would like to discuss it. So let us go to the OS module importance here. Now I'm going to say OS is one of the predefined module, guys. OS is one of the predefined module. OS is one of the predefined module in Python. So what is the definition of module, ma? What is the definition of module? A module is a collection of variables, functions, and classes. So we don't know what is classes so far. We are using OS module, variables as well as functions, dear students. So what is the purpose of this, sir? The purpose of this module is very, very important. Try to follow, ma. And it is very easy also. Dead easy class this is. Today's class is dead easy. The purpose of this module is to perform certain operations. To perform certain operations on folders, or we can also call it as a directories. We create certain operations on folders also known as what? Directories. Okay, so what are the operations we can perform on this? So to do any operations on folders and all these things, to perform any type of operations on folders and the directories, first we must import. Already you are aware of that part, I need not to tell you. To perform certain operations on folders or directories, first we must import OS module. We must import it. Otherwise, we will get the error. So this OS module, the OS module contains various functions to perform various operations on folders. Right? What are those various functions? To perform certain operations on folders and functions. To perform certain operations on the folders and this thing. Such as I'm going to write it. Such as what is the first one? For example, what is the first one? I want to create a folder. Certain operations I am going to write, certain operations. Creating a folder, for example. I want to create a folder, for example. Creating a folder. Getting the current working directory. Getting the current working folder, whatever it is. Right? Getting current working directory. Creating a folder. Creating a folder is nothing but creating. Folder is also known as what? A directory we can call. Next is called what? Creating a folder and subfolders. Renaming folders. So renaming folders. Next is called D is called what? Removing folders. Then next is called what? E. Obtaining files. Obtaining the files of folders, etc. These many number of operations we want to perform. Right? These many number of operations I want to perform. So let us start with what are these operations, how they are performing one by one. We want to go for it. So OS module is used for what? Tell me, guys. OS module is used for what purpose, ma? OS module is used for performing what operations? Performing operations on what actually? Yes. to do various operations on folders. To do various operations on folders. How easy they are, sir. How easy they are supposed to be. So let us start with the first one. So first one I want to do it. So this is called general information which I written. So one by one I will write it. What operations we are going to do it. One by one I want to write it. So first one is called what? Obtaining or getting current working folder. So first operation I'm going to get it. Getting current working folder. Getting what? Current working folder. Getting current working folder. I want to get it. So how to get the current working folder? Very, very simple. Getting current working folder. So now I am going to see that. So straightforward, directly go for it. First of all, what is the currently working folder? Let us go to that. First of all, I will go to my location. First of all, I go to my location, G colon. So 4 p.m. I will create one folder today. What is that? OS module. I am creating OS module in Python 4 p.m. OS module because this is my topic name today. In this folder, I will save all my programs. Okay, now? So let us go to the command prompt once and I will show you what is the current working folder. See, I will go to G colon. So say something like AVR, Python and 4 p.m. So there it is going to be called what? OS module. Now if you look at, I am in which place last folder? This is called current working directory. Who is the parent of current working directory? For KVR Python 4 p.m. Each topic I am creating one folder. Each topic I am creating one folder here. So easy to get it this kind of things. So KVR Python 4 p.m. OS module. This is called current working directory. If I say inside of it, dot refers to what? Dot refers to this current working directory. Dot refers to current working directory. Sorry. Dot refers to current working directory. Double dot refers to what? Parent directory. And it is not a Python subject. It is a general knowledge. Dot refers to current directory. Double dot refers to what? Parent directory. Okay. So let us go to for obtaining this. Straightforward. How to get the current working directory? Very, very simple. To get current working folder. Sorry guys. No, let me go to get current working folder. To get current working folder, I'm writing. To get current working folder, we use get CWD function. Get the CWD function. See, straightforward. What is the CWD? Already you are king in the. We are king in the internet language. We are king in the internet language. Get a CWD. We are not going to become any Windows programmer or administrator, guys. Durga Prasad. We are not going to become any Windows administrator or Linux administrator. We are going to get. Actually, this is not at all necessary. No interviewer will ask. 99% of the interviewers will not ask these questions. But as a part of files we discussed, files data we discussed, and we are getting some extra information on files and folders. That's it. Okay. So CWD stands for what? Whatever information is there in the OS model, we will learn. So logics are not there in this. Nothing is there. We are just using predefined functions. So CWD stands for what? Working directory. Current working directory we are using it. So when I say interviewer is not asking, means people will be switch off the class and then they will stop sleep. They'll start sleeping also. So they may ask, please be in the class. Don't go out of it. Please listen the class. To get the current working folder, we use get CWD. So how to use it, sir? What is the syntax, sir? Now I am using concept of it, syntax of it. Now I am using syntax. What is the syntax? Variable name. Variable name is equal to which module we need to import? OS module. Suma, I don't know where are you. Line number 5 you read. Miss Suma is asking this question. Irritating question is asking. See that all of you answer this question. What is OS module? Is it a built-in function? All of you answer, all of you answer to her. Is it a predefined, is it a built-in function? Huh? Is it a predefined function? Ayo, where are you guys? My dear students, my dear lazy students, my dear lazy students, so see here, OS is one of the predefined module, and she is asking that is OS is a is module in Python. What is a built-in function? So, is this question is correct? Is this question is meaning? It is a module. It is not a predefined function. First of all, you need to know English. So, of course, don't feel it because these are all called irritating. Let us come to the point. Get a CWD. Get a CWD here. Get a CWD. It is not a function, Suma. It is called one of the predefined module. I already told here. See that it is written already. It is one of the predefined module. What is the definition of module? Suma, are you understanding, Amma? Are you understanding, Amma? So it is one of the predefined module. It is not a predefined function. Please be careful. And I wrote already before 20 minutes only. I asked the definition of module also. Please be concentrate in the class. So get a CWD will give you the current working directory which is going to be available in this variable name it is stored. So let us go to the straightforward program. Let us go to the straightforward. If you concentrate well in my class, you will not get any doubts. If you here and there looking, you will get the problems. Right. So let us come to the point of it. Current working directory CWD example 1.5. CWD example 1.5. Import OS something like what? Current CWD is equal to something like CWD info. Current working directory info is equal to some variable name is equal to OS dot get a CWD. Get a CWD. It is a function name. It is a function name. So let us see that print of CWD information. CWD information which is of str type. Which is of str type. Let us save this. Easiest programming today. This much easiest programming we did not see in our case. We did not see. Save it. Coming to the point. So in this place, I am going to execute the current working directory. So pi, I am writing. So wherever I am running, that will be giving. That means this entire information will be given to us. This entire information will be printed. See the output of it. Current working directory is equal to OS module. This information will be given. This information will be given. So OS module is called what? Current working folder. I hope that you people are understanding that. I hope that this can be understandable by you. So coming to the point of it, example I can write it here. So syntax, example, everything. But when the further things are coming, which is the most interesting also, try to concentrate well on this. And this is a dead easy topic. Try to get it this concept very well. Okay, next I am going for, I want to go for creating a folder. I want to go for creating a folder. Dear students, now I am going for creating a folder. Now I am writing, see all of you, creating a folder. Creating a folder. Creating a folder. How to create a folder we are going to get. To create a folder, straightforward, I am writing. To create a folder, I am saying to create a folder or directory, we use mkdir function. mkdir. What is mkdir? Please enjoy the class. mkdir. What is mkdir? Make a directory. Make a directory. Make a directory. Sir, what is the syntax? To create a folder, to get the current working directory, we will use get a CWD. Get a CWD. To create a folder, we use what? Current working directory. So what is the syntax, sir? What is the syntax, sir? See the syntax, sir. Syntax is OS dot mkdir of folder name. Folder name. Dear students, folder name is also one kind of file. One kind of file. Okay. So this one will execute, and if the folder was already created, if you try to create the folder again in the same place, you will get a file exists error. Folder is also called one file. What is the difference between file and folder? Can anybody can say? A file will take the memory space. A folder will not take any memory space. That is one of the ultimate technical difference. A folder is one of the file name which does not take any memory space. But a file name will take some memory space. Some memory space it will take. Some memory space it will take. File name takes the memory space. Folder is also one file name which is containing many files which does not take any type of memory space. Sir, use it, sir. Now we are going to use it, sir. Now we are going to use it. Followed by example. And I will write some exception also after this. After this, some exception also we will write it. After showing you, I will write that exception. Let us go to the next file. Next program I want to show you. Next program I want to show you. Others here, Python here. Now I am creating. Create folder example1.py. Example1.py. Right. Then import what? OS. Import OS, sir. Then you say OS dot mkdir say kvr. What is kvr? Kvr is a folder. Kvr is going to create it as a folder. In where? Current working folder. Where is my current working folder? OS module. Just OS module you say dir, which is containing one Python program so far. One Python program so far. See, one Python file is there, which is taking 58 bytes. In this OS module, I am creating one folder name because I did not specify any path or something here, which is automatically created as a folder. Which is automatically created as a folder in the current working directory because I did not specify anywhere else path. How to create in another places as a folder? I will explain that one by one. Let us go to the create. Now I will write a printer. Now printer. I will write one exceptions also here. Folder created. Folder created. Verify. Folder created. Verify. Let us create this part. Yes. Go to that. Just create it. Out of that, dear students, please be careful. Py. Then you see folder created. Folder created, verified. Dir you say, dir you say. Kvr folder is created. Kvr folder is created. One more folder you want to create? Create it. What is the folder I am saying? HYD folder. HYD folder. Okay, create it. HYD folder. Again you create. Folder created. dir. See, how many folders are created? 2 folders are created. HYD folder and KVR folder automatically created. Okay. Now I will go for in C colon, I want to create one folder. In C colon, I want to create one folder. In C colon, I want to create one folder. In this place you see, I don't have any folder on the name called KVR. Now I want to create a folder. How do you create a folder? I will say C colon KVR. I will create a folder called C colon KVR or just KV, whatever you like. Now go for it. Again you go for it. See, here you see KV is not at all there. C colon, it is D colon, C colon. Here there is no KV at all. There is no KV. All these are called folders. No KV folder. Now I want to execute. So say that, first of all, you save this program. If it is done, yeah, save it and go for this, execute. Then what is happening? Folder created. Let us go to this C colon here, C colon KV folder created. KV folder, see that. Internally, nothing is there. Only folder is created in this place. Okay, students? Right. Now, this is called something like this. Now, wherever you want, you can create it. Okay, students? Now, again you execute. Already KV folder was there inside the C colon. Again you execute. You will get, see that already told you. File exist error. Why? Cannot create the file when that file already exists. C colon KV already containing. Yes. So coming to the point of it, it is going to be available here. So coming to the point back, I am going to say, in this case, nobody will ask the questions on operating system. Durga Prasad, you improve your subject. Right? Yes. Mohammad Sadiq, please follow me. You follow my footprints. Okay. I already advised so many times. Follow me one by one. You will get the kick in the subject when you follow me. Okay. I cannot follow you. You follow me. Right. So coming to the point of it, folder is created. If the folder was already created, if the folder was already created, then it cannot create again. It can't create again. It can't create again. And we get a predefined exception. What is that exception? Predefined exception. What is that predefined exception? Mohammad Sadiq, what is that predefined exception? Mohammad Sadiq. So that type of answers you need to answer. Predefined exception called what? Predefined exception called file exist error. So file exist error. So I need to write this type of code to that, and we need to write the coding. Always we need to use the coding. So always we need to use the coding level and not settings in the computer, not doing that place, this place, navigating. Nobody will ask that type of question. Coding is important. So what is that exception here? File exist error. This is an exception we are getting. So that type of coding we need to write. So except file exist error. Coding is one of the God-given gift. That God-given gift you please improve. This is my ultimate advice to every student of mine. Settings in operating system, everybody can do it, and it is not our job. An assistant can come and do the operations inside of my system, but a coding cannot be written by the assistant. Coding cannot be written by even CEO also. Coding can be written by only the programmer who knows the good subject. This is my advice, ma. Printer. What is that? Folder was already created. It cannot create again. It can't create again. Already it was created. It cannot create again. See, ma, you execute again. See, folder was already created. It cannot create. Already we are experts in handling the exception. Whichever exception is occurring, we are going to do that. Suppose I am writing G colon, I am writing KVR here. Or I am writing just KVR here. I am writing KVR here. What is happening? KVR folder was already created. Now I am writing here HYD. HYD folder was already created. This type of programming we must improve. Enjoy the subject of coding. Okay, dear students. Now, which function is used for creating a folder? Dear students, please, MKDIR. Slowly I am entering into the deep subject of it. Which function is used for getting the current working folder? Which function is used for getting that, ma? Yes, get this thing. Okay. Now, dear student, now I want to create in G colon, I want to create one folder. What folder I am creating? KVR. In G colon, I am going to create KVR. In G colon, I want to create folder. See, ma, in G, there is a folder called KVR. In KVR folder already we have lot of things inside. We have lot of things inside. So we have lot of things inside. So some files are all those things are there. So can I create KVR folder once again? Can I create KVR folder again? You cannot create, sir. You cannot create. If I try to execute my code, what is coming? What is coming? Folder was already created. You cannot create. Okay. Now go to the place, ma. Go to the place. I want to create a KV. Can I create KV or not? Yes, ma. Yes. See, ma. Enjoy the subject. Here KV was not there. Here we can create. Dear students, folder created. Go for it. KV was already there. See, here KV folder is created. Right. Dear student, I want to create a subfolder inside of KV. Subfolder inside of KV. Somebody was asked whose name I forget. How to create a subfolder? How to create a subfolder? Some student asked this question. That student, you take care about it. What is G? G is a drive. G is a drive. C is a drive. So C is a drive. In KV, I want to create a subject called Python. I want to create a folder called Python. Somebody asked how to create a subfolder. In KV, Python I am creating. See that, ma? See that once? See, already in G, there is a KV folder is there. Inside of KV folder, you are creating the Python subfolder. Execute. Execute. See that? We got it. Folder created. Inside of where? KV. Go for that. Check it out. KV. Python is created. Python. Inside the Python, nothing is there. So, come on, go to that. Inside of this KV, nothing is there. Go to that place. And again in Python, I'm going to write what? I'm going to write HYD folder I want to create. See, to create a HYD folder, KV must be there, Python must be there. Then only HYD, last one. Already mkdir always create the last one as a folder, provided this entire previous path must exist. Observe it, because I'm going to tell you one special case at this moment. See that folder created. Go to that place, KV, inside Python, inside HYD is there, inside HYD nothing is there. All of sudden, dear students, carefully observe, ma. All of sudden, I am writing here. I am saying, do you know what I am writing? Inside of this G colon, I am writing mango slash apple slash kiwi. Mango slash apple dot kiwi. Will it create a? Will it create a? What is the meaning? What is the make mkdir will do? Mkdir will do what? It will try to create the kiwi. In where? Apple. Do you have apple folder? Do you have apple folder? No, sir. Before creating apple folder, do you have mango folder? No, sir. You will get an exception again. You will get an exception again. What is that exception? File not found error. See that? File not found error. See that? OS error. Okay. OS error is coming. OS error. So OS cannot recognize this kind of thing. OS cannot recognize this kind of thing. OS cannot recognize this type of error. So here I will write OS error also. I will write OS error also. See how I am writing. This you improve. How to set the Windows setting, how to go to the control panel, nobody will do. Print off. What is that? The path of the hierarchy of the hierarchy, we call it as a hierarchy of folders. Hierarchy of folders does not unable to create. So once an exception is coming in front of me, I can handle like anything. See that hierarchy of folders unable to create. Shall I move forward? Shall I move forward, ma'am? Are you getting mkdir can do what? Mkdir can do how many exceptions? File exist error plus one more is called what? OS error is coming. Understood. Very good. Now I am going for Now I am going for. So this example, I will just take it. I will just paste it here. I will paste it here. So I will take the example. So now I am saying, I am writing one thing here. We got it. One more thing. If the hierarchy of folders, if the hierarchy of folders does not exist, if the hierarchy of folders does not exist, of the folders does not exist, dear students, does not exist, then we get OS error as exception. See how many exceptions are coming. Are you perfect in handling the exceptions, ma? Are you perfect in handling the exceptions? Can you handle all the exceptions? Which keywords we used to use, ma? Which keywords we used to use? Which keywords we used to use? Try, except, else, finally, rise. We are already experts in that area. We are already experts in that area, dear students. Let me move forward. Final case. So, final case I am going to say. What is that final case? mkdir function, I am writing mkdir function can create one folder at a time. This is a one I can say. Can create one folder at a time, but not root folder, but not root folder, comma subfolder, and comma what? Subfolders cannot create. Subfolders cannot create, but not root folder, subfolder, subfolder, etc. cannot create. Avinash is asking MKDAR full form. Please answer to him. Avinash Mishra is asking MKDAR full form. Avinash, are you not good in internet language, ma? So all of them are saying that make directory. Avinash Mishra, make directory. Everybody is answering make directory. Make directory. Okay. So Avinash, are you okay? Now example also you got it. Example also you got it. So done. Finally, let us move forward. Let us move forward. We understood this part. Now I want to create what? Now I want to create. What operations I am interested to create today? I am interested to create n number of operations I want to go for creating. What are that operations I want to create it? I want to create group of folders I want to create. Group of folders I want to create. So how do you do that? Very, very simple. To create, next one I am going to do that. So what is the next one? Next one, creating root folder, comma, subfolder, comma, subfolder, comma, subfolders, etc. at a time. I hope that you are understanding this part. For that, very, very simple. To create, I am writing, ma. Follow me. To create root folder, subfolder, subfolder, etc. Subfolder, etc. What do we do? At a time, we use one function. At a time, we use a predefined function. We use a predefined function. Now I am writing predefined function called make dirs. See that one? Make dirs. Spell out all of you. See the word itself. Which one, ma? What is the function name? Make dirs. Make dirs. What is the difference between mkdir and make dirs? mkdir. The name itself says a singular. Singular it is. Single folder. What is this make? They created some new name. DIRs. It's the plural. The name itself says that. So by looking at that, we can understand very easily. Nothing is there. So I'm going to write the syntax, sir. What is the syntax, ma? Syntax says what, ma? OS dot make dirs, what is that? What is that? Folder hierarchy. Folder hierarchy. Folders hierarchy. Sir, what is this folders hierarchy, sir? Actually, it is a term of PSF organization. Folders hierarchy represents represents come on, represents information about what? Information about what is that? Root folder. See ma, how I am writing? Root folder slash subfolder slash subfolder etc. We need to mention that. How do you do that example, sir? Please go to that mark. So which type of exceptions we got it? File exist error and OS error. Please take care about that. Now I am going to I will take only file name. Rest of them I will write the code. Others, see that point. I am saying that create folders example1.py. Create folders example1.py. Import OS. Come on, ma. OS dot make dirs. See that function. Make dirs. What is the word make dirs? Already we had a one. What is that? Mango. This entire thing I want to create. Actually, it was not created now. In G:mango, all those things was not created. You please try to create. At this level, you try to create. So say this. Beginning one, you try to mention it. So done. So what is that? Print off. What is that? Folder hierarchy created. HIER hierarchy created. Test it, ma. So say create it. Folders. So done. Yes, ma. How easy it is. Here you see. In I mango, all these things are not there. Now you try to execute. Why? Now I am saying create folders example1.py. So I got it. What is it? Incorrect, huh? Okay. It is saying something like apple slash 1 minute. So what happens? 1 minute. Actually, go to this place, ma. Go to this place. So nothing will happen. So mango and apple oblique. We need to say something like kiwi. Once you just test it. Yes. Okay, 1 minute. So I'll change this direction. Yeah. Folders hierarchy created. Nothing will happen, ma. It's correct. No problem. Only thing is that things you need to take it. So what is that? Folder hierarchy created. Let us go to that place. Here, observe. So mango created. Mango folder is created. Within the mango folder, what is created? Apple folder created. Apple folder created contains kiwi folder. Kiwi folder will not contain anything. Right? Slashes is important. These slashes are important. Take care about that. Because where I taught this type of thing, if you remember, in our packages, os.append path I told you. In append path also I said like this. I said this part, if you remember it, because only few students can read that. But here I said the same. I hope so you are following this. Right. Okay. So this is you supposed to remember. Yes. Fine. Right. Ah, yes, ma. You can do it, ma. Malesh, you can do that. No error, ma. No error. See that if I execute again, see what is happening. Already what is happening? File exists error. File exists error. File exists error. Now you want to add some word called grapes. You want to add some word called grapes. See that whether it is done or not. So it is done. Hierarchy created. Malesh, Seema, done or not? Grapes. So your answer. Okay now? Right. So Muhammad Sadiq. Muhammad Sadiq. You have seen that now? Yeah, you only asked previously. Muhammad Sadiq, you only asked. Yes. I told you just now only. You are whenever I said that you are asking that and you are asking this, you are going for this. Yep. MKDIR used for creating a single folder. MKDIR is used for going for what? Creating multiple things. It can create single folder also. Right? Just now it is created. Now grapes it is created. I told. Grapes it is created. So listen the class. So it is going to where? Mango. Inside the mango, apple and grapes and kiwi is created. Done. Are you following this? Right. Mr. Mohammad Sadiq, are you getting? Fine. Coming to the point of it, it is done. So go for that. Go for that. This is created. So single folder only created. If it is already created, now we are getting, we have done. What is that error we have got it? What is an exception we got it? What is an exception we got it? Except, which exception we got it? File not found error. File not found error we got it. What is that file not found error we got it? File not found error. Printer. What is that? Already folder hierarchy. Folder HIERAR. Folder hierarchy was already created. Was already created. Was already created. See that, ma? If I execute again, you will get it. File name, folder, file not found error. Okay. FOUND. Okay. Spelling mistake, ma? Yes, please see. File exist error. Once again, file exist error. File not found error is one thing. It is exception is called what? File exist error. Sorry. File exists error. File exists error. What is that? Folder hierarchy was already existed. File hierarchy has already existed. Whatever exception is coming with left hand, left finger, we can handle it. Okay. So are you understanding how to create a single folder and how to create multiple folders? Confirm, please. Right. So example is done. Example. Morning also I taught the same module. So with the done. So with make DIRs, we can create one folder. We can create more number of folders. Can I move forward, ma? Can I move forward on? This is a dead easy. Nothing logic is there in this. Nothing logic is there. We are using predefined functions. What are the predefined functions we know so far, ma? What are the so far? What type of functions we know? Come on. What type of functions we know? Get a CWD, MKDIR, MKDIRs, MKDIR, MKDIRs. Now I am going for next part. I am going to enter into that. What is the next part? Next part I am going to say remove a folder, or directory. Okay, now remove a folder or directory. How to remove a folder or directory? Dear students, are you following? Straightforward, without late. Straightforward, without late. What is that? To remove a folder or a directory, we use. Come on. RMDIR, because already you are very good in full forms, na? RMDIR. MKDIR. MKDIR. Opposite is what? RMDIR. RMDIR. But dear students, one thing you remember, ma. One thing you remember, ma. I can say, once you are remembering a folder, that folder should not contain any files. That folder should not contain any files because it is one of the most important point to remember. At the time of removing a folder, I will write the syntax here, ma. Follow me. The Python will not allow to remove the folder when it contains os dot rmdir remove dir. I will say folder name. So rmdir function removes the folder provided I am writing provided folder name should not contain any files. That is a very, very important. General knowledge example is you started a company. With you there are 200 and 300 employees are working. Night by night you are just closing the company. What people will say? Your company is called a folder. Folder contains lot of employees. Night by night you are closing your company. What will happen next day? Guys? Come on. What employees will do? Will they go to home? Are you there, guys? Are you there? What they will do? They will do some hesitation or not? They will come on road and they will make strikes. Same thing. Of course, that is not related to this. Even you take Oracle database. If a table contains records, you cannot drop the table. Dropping the table is not completely removing it. Completely removing the table. When the table is containing completely records, you cannot drop it. First you have to remove the records. First you have to remove the employees. Then you remove your company. Then you have to remove the records. Then you have to remove the table. First you have to remove the files. When it is becoming empty, that time you can remove the folder. Right. See students. Now I am going to say RMDIR can remove one folder at a time. Very, very important. One folder at a time. You are having mango, apple, kiwi. Mango, apple, grapes. It cannot remove the total complete folder hierarchy. It cannot remove. One at a time it will be removed. Okay. So RMDA, one more point I forget to tell you. RMDIR function removes a folder provided the folder name should not contain any files. Otherwise we get an exception. An exception called what? OS error. We get what error? OS error. OS cannot allow you to remove your Python program to remove that files. OS error will come. So let us show the example, sir. Let us go to the Python program. So now I am saying Python. Now I am taking rmdir example.py. So I am writing import OS. Come on, os.remove. Now I am saying that you see somewhere else see KV is there. KV. KV contains Python. Python contains HYD. Python contains HYD. Right? So Python is there. Everything is available. Now, if I take in my current working directory, for example, G colon you take it. In our 6P, in our 4PM, there is a OS module. In the OS module, there is a KVR folder is there. There is a HYD folder is there. These are the separate folders. These are the separate folders. One of the folder you try to remove. So I am saying that KVR here, KVR here. Now you say print of what is that? KVR folder removed. Folder removed. Folder removed. Folder removed. Verify. 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 Just check it. Just check it. Save it. Done. Done. You go for execute. Fine. Then done. See that? What is that? Permission denied. Permission denied. So you are getting access denied. You are getting some type of access denied. So here you are coming out of this OS module. Now you come out. Now you execute. Now you execute. Now you are getting access denied. So remove of this. Remove no. This is called what? RM. So some mistake I written. RMDIR. RMDIR. Now you see. Yeah, by default I written. What is that? Folder created. Remove no. RMDIR. Yes. RMDIR. Folder removed. Go to the place. Here, OS module. Here KVR folder is not there. KVR folder is not there. It is just removed. Now you go for C students. Here KVR folder is there inside of G colon. Inside of here some files are there inside. You try to take it. You try to mention it. Go to your place and here you try to write it. You try to write it here. G colon KVR. Then folder removed. Will it be removed? Come on, will it be removed? No, sir. Why? It contains already some type of files are there. See that you will get OS exist error, OS error, OS error. This directory is not empty. This directory is not empty. So with this, I am getting the exception. What is that? Try here. We need to go for except. Except what is that? OS error. OS error. So I am writing here. What is that? Current folder, that is nothing but specified folder. Specified folder contains files. Specified folder contains files. Can't be removed. Specified. Can't be removed. See execute again. You got specified folder contains file can't be removed. I hope that you people are understand. Dear students, are you okay? Dear students, are you okay? Now, one more thing you take it. KV you take it. KV. You see KV. G colon, there is a KV. KV contains Python. Python contains HYD. Now you tell me. Can I, this one, KV. Will it be removed? Srikanth. Kodari Srikanth. Be careful. KV is empty. It contains something. It contains subfolders are there. Subfolders also called some files. Will it be removed or not? Finally, you tell me. It cannot remove. See that. It cannot remove. See that carefully. See. So, specified folder contains files cannot be removed. Yes. Please go to the program now. Please go to the program. I say, what is this now? Python. What is there inside? Python. Inside what is there? Python. Inside Python is there. KV, Python. Inside Python what is there? HYD. Inside Python what is there? HYD. Now tell me. I specified Python. Will it be removed? Yes or no? No, sir. Very good. Why? It contains file again. Now I will write. What is that? After that, what is that? HYD. Will HYD will be removed? Yeah. Will it removed? Yes, sir. Now it is removed, sir. Now it is removed, sir. Happy, sir. It is removed, sir. Remove. Go to that. See, it is removed. Folder removed. Folder removed. Excellent. Check it out. Check it out. Here we go for KV. Inside KV there is a Python. Inside Python no HYD folder is there. Yes. So I told that only. RMDIR removes a folder. It removes a folder. Only one folder. It removes a folder. Provided folder should not contain. So RMDIR removes a single folder. Are you following me? Yes. You specify unspecified folder name. You say unspecified folder name. Say something like what? Something like KVR 234, Python 123. Like that you specify. What you will get it, ma? What you specify, ma? What you will get it, ma? Here you see what is coming. Specified folder. This is first of all you cannot write like this. You cannot write like this because this type of file itself is not there. This type of file itself is not there. So it is not containing at all. Since it is not located, it is giving an OS error. OS error. It is giving OS error. You have to take it as what? File not found error you can take. So I can write here except file not found error. File not found error. Say that what is that? Folder name does not what is that? Exist. Does not exist. So see that. So I am getting folder name does not exist. Dear students, are you getting? Ma? Yes. Very, very easy. So see here, ma. Here I am writing. Go to your concept window. If the folder name does not exist, here I am writing. If folder name does not exist, folder name does not exist. We get file not found error. File not found error as an exception. See how many exceptions are coming? How many exceptions are coming in that RMDIR? How many exceptions? 2 exceptions are coming. One is OS error. One more is called what? File not found error. Okay, students, coming to the point of it now. So RMDIR function removes the single folder. At a time. Removes the single folder. Right. Now I want to remove all the folder. Complete folder hierarchy I want to remove. I want to remove mango. I want to remove apple. I want to remove kiwi. Complete package hierarchy I want to remove. Easy, ma. Easy. RMDIR, MKDIR. Now expect it. Is it RMDIRs or remove DIRs? RMDIRs, no. Remove DIRs. Okay. Next point is, these are all quite interesting, Quite interesting as no logics are there. Nothing is there, ma. I will take the examples also. This example also I will bring it. There is no logics, but it is quite interesting if you enjoy it. If you don't enjoy, it is going to be something boring. Because logics are not there. We enjoyed so far logics. All of a sudden we are coming to this documentation. Remove the folder or directory hierarchy. Or I can write remove root folder, comma subfolder, subfolder, comma what? Subfolder, subfolder, subfolders, etc. How do you do that? How do you do this? Yes, ma, Malesh, you can apply. You can check it out. Okay, you can check it out. Right. So come on to the point. To remove straightforward, we go forward. To remove, I can write straightforward. To remove, what I can do? To remove root folder, subfolder, etc. We use, what is that? Remove what? DIRs. Complete one I want to remove. Remove DIRs. Remove DIRs. Remove what? DIRs. 1 minute ma. Remove DIRs. Remove. Spelling mistake. Remove DIRs. Sir, what is the syntax, sir? Syntax is very, very simple, sir. OS dot remove DIRs of what is that? Root. I will write folder hierarchy. Folder hierarchy, sir. What is the folder hierarchy, sir? Easy, already told you now. Already told you, ma. I say here, folder hierarchy represents what is that? Root folder slash subfolder slash subfolder, etc. Subfolder, etc. What will happen? What will happen if this root folder or subfolder or any folder contains some files? Will it be removed? If root folder or subfolder or subfolder contains some file, will it be removed, ma? Ajay Shahu. Will it be removed? No. Whether it is remove DIRs or RM DIR will not remove that when it is containing some file. Will it be removed? No, sir. It cannot remove, sir. When it will be removed? When it will be removed? When there is no files inside of it. Okay. Come on to the point. I will go to the example part. So I will take file name. I will take Python here. Check it out. So remove DIRs dot py. Yes, import py, import OS. So say that OS dot remove DIRs. What is that now? Complete one you take it. Which one I will take it? See that carefully. G colon. What is that? Something like caviar. Something like this you take it. It cannot remove here also. It cannot remove this part. Just to say. What is happening? Use just to see. Caviar. Now print off folders removed. Folder or folders removed. Just removed. Verify. Just to check it out. Just to check it out. Yes. Now see. I here. What is happening? Directory. This directory is not empty. What is an exception is coming? OS error. What is that? Same. See how we are handling the exception. How dead easy to handle the exception. Except OS error. What is that? Printer. Specified folder is not empty. Okay. Is not empty. Yes, please. Yes. Specified folder is not empty. Yes, please. Let us go back. To this place. Now you say, which one? KV Python, and Python is having like this. You take this complete one. Then you see. then this part you take it. In this place I will take it. In this place I will take it. What I am doing? KV inside of this Python is there. What is that? Remote. Right. And one more you will get it. One more you will get it. Okay. First you check it out. Right. These are all empty folders only. Complete one. Completely removed. Completely removed. Execute. Execute. What is happening you see? What is happening you see? Folders removed. Folders removed. Of course. Folders removed. Folders removed. Check it out. What is that? Here, what is another? KV is not there. KV is not at all there. It was removed. KV was not there. Python was not there. Suppose if you want to create folders, create folders, create folders. For example, you can create that folders and you can remove. For example, I want to remove this complete grapes. I want this entire thing. I want to remove. Once again, you take it. Once again, you take it. Schema. Once again, you take it. What is happening? You see. What is happening? You see. Will it be removed or will not be removed, ma? Will it be removed or will not be removed? Will it be removed or will not be removed? Folders removed. Check it out once. Check it out once. Mango, mango, apple, and what is removed? Grapes. Why it was only grapes removed? Because it contains internally what? Kiwi was there, na? Grapes was removed. Grapes was removed. But grapes was a part of what? Grapes was a part of what? Apple. Now you mention. Now you mention it. Now you mention it. Come on to the point. Now it is completely removed. Now you say kiwi. Now you say kiwi. Beautiful example this is. Now how many folders will be removed? Complete folders will be removed. Are you following me? Mango will go. Apple will go. Kiwi will go. Once again check it out. Because these are all observations. Mango is there. Apple is there. Kiwi is there. Completely will be removed. Yes, please check, execute. First of all, saved or not, you check it out. Yes, saved it. Now you execute. Now see what is happening. Removed. Go to that G column. No mango, no apple, nothing. Nothing is there to eat. Removed or not? Yes, one file or two file, whatever it is. Two files means empty or non-empty. Ajay Shahu. Two files means empty or non-empty? Empty. Two files are there in a folder. Is it empty? Ajay Shahu? What, ma? Non-empty, na? Non-empty. Empty, non-empty. Non-empty means something is there. Empty means nothing is there. Right. So it's in English. Right. Done. Mr. Durga Prasad, this only we did. Whatever you are asking, that only we did. How can we remove multiple folders, sir? This only, sir. Mr. Durga Prasad, sir, this only we did, sir. This only we did, sir. Yes. So we did that only, sir, here. Fine. Done. If I execute once again, you will get error. You will get error. What is that error? What is that error? Actually, file not found error it is. So this is OS error is taking care about all OS related error. So I am writing here file not found error. File not found error. So I say specified folder hierarchy does not exist. Does not, same as previous only, does not exist. You see that. Coming to the point back, now I execute. So I got it. Specified folder does not exist. So coming to the point of it, see, with the OS module, we are not doing any Windows programming. Only some basic syntaxes they give, we are just experimenting it. And nobody will ask, write the Windows programming using Python folder, nothing. Okay. So it is just only we are experimenting on folders. That's it. Now coming to the point of it next, I want to rename a folder. I want to rename a folder. Coming to the point of this, we got it. Renaming a folder. Renaming a folder. Example part I am taking. So I am writing rename example part. This is example, we got it. I want to go for renaming a folder. How do you rename a folder? Coming to the point back, renaming a folder. Yes, very, very simple. Already function, you are already getting it. To rename a folder. To rename a folder. What is that? To rename a folder, we use a function. What is the function name? Rename. Yes, rename. But understand, to rename a folder, we use what function? Rename. What is the syntax, sir? Syntax we are writing. What is the syntax, sir? OS dot rename of folder file name, folder folder name, folder folder name, comma, new folder name. We are giving like this. Yes. So old folder name, new folder name. Right. So let us go to that. Let us check when any folders are there, you check it out. Old folder name and new folder names. So in our 4 p.m. there is a OS module. There is a HYD folder is there. Just to go for checking that. So let us move forward to this place. Go to the place. I will take a new file. That is here. You see, I am writing rename folder example 1.5. I am taking import OS dot rename of what? HYD comma Hyderabad. I will write. I am writing complete. Yes, ma, Prabhat, you are asking doubt or you are telling that? Prabhat, are you asking the doubt or you are telling to me? You are asking, huh? Okay. So are you not understanding that what I am explaining? Let me put this doubt in the class, whether the other students will answer or not. See, this is an answer. This is a question Prabhat is asking, ma. What is your answer? Sir, can't be removed hierarchy of folder which contains files. What is your answer, please? Yes, no. Answer is coming. Prabhat, can't be removed hierarchy of folder which contains files. Yeah, definitely. Which when it contains files, we can't be removed. Yes, we cannot create. We cannot delete the files. Already told you here. Already told you. Prabhat, are you understanding, ma? Everybody said that answer. Okay. So, done. Listen the class, ma, carefully. Print off. What is that? Folder renamed. Verify. Yes. Why I am asking that question in the directly class is because whether others are having the same doubt or not, I want to check it out. That's why. Fine. Let us save this code. Yes. Go to the place, ma. Save file. Then done. So folder renamed. So go to the place of this and then see in the OS module Hyderabad it is changed automatically. Now you try to execute again. Can it be renamed? Do you have any Hyderabad there and will it be changed as Hyderabad? Will you find this HYD? No, sir. See that what is happening? file not found error. File not found error. File not found error means the system cannot find the file specified. The system cannot find the file specified. That is nothing but you need to handle the exception. Try. See how to handle the exception. Any type of exceptions are coming as a part of any type of subject. Easy for us. What is that? Older, that is old folder name. Old folder name does not exist. Old folder name does not exist. Now see, does not exist. Excellent. Now I am going to take reverse. Now reverse I am going to take. Hyderabad to HYD I want to bring it once again. I want to bring into Hyderabad. Okay. Done. See that now. HYD folder rename. Go and check it out. HYD got it again. HYD got it again. You execute again. Error. Old folder does not exist. We got it. Fine. So we got it. This is called how to get it. As a part of this, we got an example also. Yes. Right. So any type of exception is coming, we are going to handle very easily. So previous with the files programming, what we did with the operations on data. Now we are dealing with the operations on folders. Operations on folders. Now let me go to know the contents of the file. To know the contents of the file. Last part, to find the contents of a folder. Contents of a folder. Maybe a subfolder, maybe a root folder, maybe a subfolder, whatever it is. Yes, please. Now, to find contents of a folder, we use list dir. What is the function name? List dir. List dir. We use what function, Amma? List dir. List dir, dear students. We are going to see syntax. Syntax you see. What is the syntax? os dot list dir. What is that? Apply. And later we will find some new information from that. See, what is our folder name? OS module. OS module contains what? Some Python programs are there. One folder is also there. Inside the folder, I will place one file. Today, please observe it. I am taking one file. So I am writing, this is a Python class, for example. This is Python class. One text file I am storing. Where I am storing it, where I am saving it in a HYD folder. Please be careful. So I am taking x.txt file it is. TXT file. You please be careful. Try to understand. Now I will go for some type of information. Now I am going for certain type of information. Okay, guys. Right, you just close this part. Now I'll write a Python program. Observe it. Okay, sorry, not Java. Going to Python file. So new others Python. Now see, I am writing list dir example1.py. List dir example1.py. Import OS. I'm coming to import OS. Then what I am doing? OS dot list dir. Now I am taking. What? Dot I am writing. Dot. What is dot? Dear students, what is dot, ma? Don't know. What is the dot refers to? Current working directory. Yes. Current working directory. I already told in the beginning of the session only. Last list dir folder name. Dot refers current working directory, which returns LST, which returns list of files. Which returns what? LST, list of files. Which returns a list of files. So coming to the point of it, coming to the Mr. Sai is outside, looking like outside. So please take care. You are disturbing my class. Coming in the middle of the screen. Okay. You print that LST, ma. You try to see. What is this list dir will print? List dir will print current working folder content only. It will not print the subfolders directly. Subfolders content will not be given. Once again, it will give you only current working folder content. It will not give subfolders content. It will not give you subfolders content. That means what it gives you? See, it will give you Python files of OS module. It will give you HYD also, but it won't give you HYD content. X will not come. Are you understanding this? Are you understanding? One more I will take it. One more folder I will create here. One more folder I will create. New folder. I will create one new folder. What is that folder here? KVR I will create. I will create one folder called KVR. Inside the KVR I will create one file also. What is that file I am creating? New. One text file I will create. Some some Z I will create. Some Z I will create. Some Z I created. So here KVR folder will come, but it won't give the file name Z. HYD will come, but it won't get the X. Are you following? Are you okay? Now coming to the point back, program here, list. Now print that. Save this code. Coming to this point, OS module, save it. Now you come on to the point. Now I'll say pi. I say like this. See what is this? Unexpected indent. Okay. Take care about this. You are giving some extra space here. Yeah. Then you execute. See list. See the beginning bracket and see the ending bracket. What is printed? It is printing the Python program. HYD folder, KVR folder, other things, but not giving the subfolders data, subfolders information. Are you getting me or not? Are you getting me or not? If you want to print more detail here, for X in LST, print of X, they are printing one by one. See, all the Python programs are printed, plus HYD folder and KVR folder. But HYD related internally one file is there. KVR one file is there, which is not showing. So list dir will show you. Now I'm going to come to that. List dir. This function shows the content of specified folder content, shows the content of specified folder only, but not the content of subfolders and subfolders. Yes, but not this function. This function shows the content of specified folder only, but not showing the content of subfolder and subfolders. This function shows the content of specified folder only, but not showing the content of subfolder and subfolder contents. So here you need to specify the folder name, folder hierarchy. If you want folder hierarchy, also you can specify folder hierarchy. If folder hierarchy is not there, you will get file not found exception. If folder hierarchy is not there, you will get file not found error. So if I will write here, if folder hierarchy does not exist, we get file not found error. File not found error. I hope that you are following. Are you following, ma? Are you following, guys? Shall I move forward? Are you there? Yeah, it is done. So go into the, now I want to find what? Subfolders content also I want to find. Subfolders content also. Once again I am saying, see, content in this. I want to know, here three things you need to observe. With the list dir, I found the current folder path. So I want to find the current folder, plus I want to find the subfolder, plus I want to find the three things I am getting. Current folder. Next what? Subfolder. Subfolder's content. Three things I want to find out. That can be done by one more kind of thing. Of course, example if you want, I can write this part. Example if you want, I can write this. So this part I can take it here. This part I can take it. Yes, I got like this. Okay, now I got this information. Now I want to get it. Now I want to get it. I want to know the content of, content of folder, subfolder, all the things. This I want to know. I will copy this part. Now observe it. Find the content of folder, root folder, comma subfolder, and subfolders. I will upload ma. First listen. Whenever you feel, you say, sir, upload. So will I stop the class and upload? After end of the class, I will upload. To find the content of root folder, subfolder, and subfolder, we will go for walk function. Walk to each folder. Walk. What is the function name? Tell me. What is the function name? Walk. W-A-L-K. Walk to each folder and find out. Walk spelling what, ma? Venkatesh K. Walk function. Okay. So now I am saying, ma, to find, I am saying here, to find the things we use what function? Walk function. Finished. Walk function. Sir, syntax what, sir? Syntax. Dear students, please follow me. It is going to say os dot walk of folder hierarchy. Folder hierarchy. HAR. Folder hierarchy. Test, that's it. Same type of thing. If folder hierarchy does not exist, you will get the exception. Folder hierarchy does not exist, you will get the exception. That is as usual, we already become perfect. Let us go to directly the working level. So let us go to the content of it, ma. I will take a new Python program. See the wonderful patent here. So now I will say, here, something like what? I say walk. I will say walk. Walk of dot. Okay. Walk. Say walk of dot. Dot means what? Current working folder. Now it is going to give you some type of object will come, which is called of type generator. Now I am taking KVR. You cannot print KVR, ma. Print KVR. For one variable I am taking, which is a function which is getting all its content. You try to print it. List files dot py. Save it. Save it. Now you see, ma, you will not get any answer here. Please don't expect any answer here. List files dot py. You will get some memory address. We cannot get it. Generator object it is. We cannot get it. What is there inside, sir? I am printing, ma. I am printing. This KVR contains three things. Number one, current working path. Current working path means our current working path is our OS module. In that what? Second one, subfolders information plus its files information will come. So three things are there inside. If you follow me, I will write one beautiful for loop. For, of course, rhythmically I am writing K comma V comma R. First time you are seeing in KVR. KVR contains three important information. K and then V and then R. Now what is that? Print of directory path. First I am saying that the path I am writing path is equal to and a directory path, that is folder path. Okay, this is something new for you. Just follow me. At least output you observe it. You will understand. No doubt in that. You will understand that. Next, you will print a subfolder path V, and next files. I will print files R. Just rhythmic purpose I took it. Rhythmic purpose. Just try to print it. See ma. Subfolder. Folder path is what? What is my folder? Current path. Current one is called what? OS module. What are the subfolders path ma? HYD and KVR. What are the files in that? You see list of files. Files I got it. See from the beginning onwards here. Folder path and currently what OS module is. In that what are the subfolders? Walk through. It will be given over. Coming to the subfolder, folder path dot HYD. Is HYD contains any subfolders? No sir, empty. What are the files inside of it? x.txt. Next one more folder is what? .kvr. KVR does not contain any subfolder path and files is called z.txt. Beautiful output. Dear students, is it okay? Are you okay, mom? Is all of you got it or not? Is all of you got it or not? Yes. Coming to the point back, now we are having this entire thing I will upload in the class. Right. So coming to the point of it, then this folders, simple, when I am there, it is printing my information, my subfolders information, plus subfolders files also. Nothing is there. So if you listen carefully, no confusion will come. If you don't go for listening, you will get. If you don't have the little knowledge of operating system also, you will get that. You execute it, you will get that. So this is called information about OS module. This is called information about OS module. So if you practice it, you will get more knowledge. You practice it, you will get more knowledge. So I will upload this entire information inside of your Google Drive class. Example, this is called example. So I will upload this entire thing. Let us execute. Finally, from 1 hour 45 minutes onwards, I am saying this explanation. So notes, I will put it inside the Google Drive class. Yes. So now I will go for uploading in the class. Fine. So tomorrow's class, I will introduce the most important topic again, and it is little important and short also. Regular expressions I will introduce. Let me upload it and try to download this kind of thing. Right. I cannot give any passwords. I don't have any passwords. With me. You try to contact the admins. I can just go for only class I will take. I don't have any passwords. I don't have the maintenance of that. Right. Tomorrow's class, regular expressions I will explain. So 4 p.m. OS module. OS module. So I'll go for OS module in